In the age of modern warfare, a new player has emerged on the battlefield, not a general or a nation, but a constellation of satellites orbiting silently above us. This is the untold power of Elon Musk's Starlink, and it's revolutionizing global warfare as we know it. Introduction. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, SpaceX, and now Starlink. What began as a mission to provide global internet access has rapidly evolved into something far more powerful. Starlink is not just connecting the unconnected, it's reshaping how wars are fought in the 21st century. What is Starlink? So, what exactly is Starlink? At its core, Starlink is a network of thousands of small satellites orbiting the Earth in low Earth orbit. Unlike traditional satellites, which hover at much higher altitudes, Starlink's proximity allows for ultra-low latency, high-speed internet access anywhere on the planet. But the real game changer? It's global, resilient, and always on. Starlink's role in modern warfare. For military forces, communication is key. In the heat of battle, a single broken link can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Starlink offers a solution. By providing secure, fast, and reliable communication, Starlink ensures that military units stay connected, no matter how remote or hostile the environment. But Starlink isn't just about keeping the lines open. It's about giving military commanders real-time intelligence from the field. Imagine drones transmitting live video feeds, soldiers receiving instantaneous updates, and entire operations being coordinated seamlessly, all thanks to Starlink's global network. Real-world impact, Ukraine case study. A stark example of Starlink's impact can be seen in the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. When traditional communication networks were compromised or destroyed, Starlink stepped in. Ukrainian forces, cut off from conventional channels, relied on Starlink to maintain coordination and resist cyber attacks, turning the tide in critical moments. This wasn't just about staying connected. It was about surviving. In a world where information is power, Starlink provided Ukraine with an edge that no one saw coming. Shifting global power dynamics. But what does this mean for the rest of the world? Starlink is not just a tool for the powerful. Its global reach means that even smaller nations, or non-state actors, could gain access to advanced communication systems. This could drastically shift global power dynamics, leveling the playing field in ways we've never seen before. With Starlink, the battlefield of the future is not just on land, sea, or air, it's in the digital ether, where information moves at the speed of light, and the balance of power is constantly in flux. Ethical and legal considerations. But with great power comes great responsibility. As Starlink blurs the lines between civilian and military technology, it raises serious ethical and legal questions. Should a private company wield such influence over global warfare? And what happens when civilian technologies are repurposed for military ends? These are questions the world must answer, as the boundaries of war continue to expand beyond Earth's atmosphere. The future of warfare. Looking ahead, Starlink could be just the beginning. The militarization of space is no longer a concept of science fiction, it's our reality. As Starlink evolves, so too will the tactics and strategies of global warfare. The battlefield of tomorrow will be fought not just on Earth, but across the stars. Elon Musk's Starlink is more than just a technological marvel, it's a force multiplier, a game changer in the way wars are fought and won. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: the power to connect the world is also the power to change it, for better or for worse. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on how technology is shaping our future.